Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be super short, super simple. We are simply going to unbag this month's Ipsy January bag with you, January 2023. And we are so excited to do that with you. So I guess I'll get it started. Is that okay? Sure? Okay, so let's see. Oh, it feels fuzzy. Oh, it's so cute. It is so adorable. Oh, I love this. Okay, this feels really cute, and I love the color purple. Okay, let's see if the card is inside. And yep, there's something else too. Okay, so the card is the year of you, I guess, for 2023, the start of the year. And love the color purple. You like it? Love it. Yeah, cool. Really nice. Okay, so we are going to start with the first item, which is a brush. I guess the theme color is purple, right? It's a lilac. It's beautiful. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's a light purple. Isn't this pretty? Love it. So beautiful. Really, really nice. Love it. One can never have enough brushes, right? Right. Okay. So that's the first item. And next we have what we call here a plum color affair. And I believe it is a nail polish. Check that out. Oh, it really is, and it's shimmery. It's so adorable. It's like a lilac, so that seems to be the theme color, and maybe I can swatch it for you. Let's see. There you go. That's really nice. Alrighty, so far so good. Next item, we have something from NARS. It's a velvet matte lip pencil. So let's see. I love NARS products. So let's see what we have here. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a rusty red. Shall we swatch it? Yeah, please. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it's right? Gorgeous. Look how nice. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, it is beautiful, and it does feel velvety. This is really, really nice. Wow, awesome. 3 for 3. And next item we have is this Oriza Beauty. It looks like it's a shadow. Here it is. I'm not sure if you can see that. And let me open. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. Oh, this is gorgeous. What do you think? Oh, beautiful. Love it. Gorgeous. Oh, this is... Oh, they're so nice. I'm really excited. I'm really loving this bag. Alrighty, and so last but not least, we have Hello Results. This is from It Cosmetics, and let me see what that is. It is a wrinkle reducing serum in cream. So it says here that you can apply it morning or night. And it's filled with a whole bunch of vitamins and niacinamides and retinols. So awesome. This is really, really nice. So I gotta say, I love this month's bag. It is so adorable. I love every single product, and I'm excited about using them all. What do you think? Oh, amazing. Absolutely. Well, that's it. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with us, and as usual, we wish you a super beautiful day. Bye-bye. And stay safe wherever you are. Bye-bye.